What's up everyone, my name is Thomas, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be covering some updates on NSAV. I know it's been an extremely long time. Some of you guys have been wondering where I've been, what I've been up to. I'm still alive, I'm still invested in NSAV, and boy oh boy have we had some real exciting price action recently, as well as some really exciting news, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So the very first piece of news that I'll be talking about is NSAV partnering with Labs Group in order to launch a NFT. Now this is definitely one of those things where it could be hit or miss. NFTs are a pretty new thing to the crypto space, and I don't know, I feel like the idea behind NFTs to me personally isn't that appealing. They're basically digital collectibles, but obviously this is more investment focused NFT where they're fractionalizing real estate. So it could definitely be a huge success, but it could also be a failure. We don't really know, but what I do really want to know is how the revenue share structure is. I don't know what NSAV actually paid Labs, and I don't know what type of revenues Labs will be sharing with NSAV from the sales of these NFTs. So definitely an interesting piece of news, but the second piece of news today is super exciting. Now the second most massive piece of news that I'll be talking about today is NSAV's launch of their own cryptocurrency exchange. Now NSAV announced that they'll be launching this on August 9th, and they do own 100% of the crypto exchange, and it will carry NSAV's brand name as well. I think this is definitely an interesting piece of news, and I think that's also partially why NSAV has started to run up so much the past few days. We've definitely seen some huge run-ups from Coinbase's public listing. That stock definitely drove a lot of attention to the crypto market. And then MJWL is another OTC stock that has seen a huge benefit from their announcing of their acquisition of a cryptocurrency exchange. So I definitely think if NSAV is able to execute this exchange in a very good way, that NSAV could potentially make a huge run, potentially to dollars. I think this is definitely a one-of-a-kind situation where we're seeing a crypto exchange being built from the bottom up, and the team building the crypto exchange is actually led by Yuan Wang, who is the founders of Labs Group. So he's also the partner of Bitmart, which is an exchange that does, I believe, about $2 billion in volume every day. So they definitely have a lot of expertise behind the team. And now I'm just waiting to see the execution. So this next month, I'm really hoping to see a really nice looking exchange. And I personally think it'll be a centralized exchange. A lot of people have been speculating that it'll be a decentralized exchange, but they're announcing that it's a regulated exchange, so I would assume it's a lot easier to have a regulated exchange if it's a centralized one. And I also am kind of curious where they will register this exchange. I'm assuming somewhere in the US. I know there's been a lot of China FUD recently in the crypto markets, so I definitely think they'll be having this exchange registered in the US, just because I know KYC/AML processes are different in Asia versus the US, and I feel like it's a lot easier to have a regulated crypto exchange if you're registered in the US. Those are just my personal thoughts. But yeah, definitely exciting times and looking forward to the future. Anyways, that's gonna be it, guys. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.